So when someone's missing a tooth and we are placing an implant, there are various ways to achieve the actual surgical placement. And one of the ways is a surgical guide. Surgical guide is like a stent. It's something that helps us and guides us into, as the name suggests, it guides us into the proper angulation, proper depth, so we just get a more accurate and more efficient placement of the implant with minimal post-op issues, and it's just more predictable that way as well. Dental implants are one of the most successful ways to replace teeth. Sometimes, when people are missing teeth, you can do something like a bridge. You can do nothing at all, or you can have an implant placed. With an implant, what we actually do is surgically place an implant within the bone, and after a few months, after the healing process is done, we place what we call an abutment on top of the implant, and then the crown that goes on top of that. So one of the advantages of having dental implants is that it feels like a natural tooth. You can floss around it, and maintenance is minimal. You treat it just like you would any other tooth in your mouth. You don't have to get underneath anything, as is the case with bridges, where sometimes keeping the area cleansed is a challenge for some people. Another advantage of implants is that it maintains the bone level in the area. It's what we call ridge preservation. So that way, when implant is there, the body maintains the bone level in the area. So overall, the dental implant is the way to go. It is the latest and greatest. It has extremely high success rate. It's one of the more conservative things to do as far as adjacent teeth. We don't have to drill on some of the adjacent teeth and have to take a good, healthy enamel away. And that's a major, major advantage. If you're missing a tooth or you're missing many teeth, dental implants are the way to go. It is one of the more successful ways to replace teeth, whether it be through a single implant or many implants, or full mouth reconstructions like overdentures and fixed hybrid restorations as well.